Hi, today I'm going to show you how to rotate image in Google Slides. So for example, we have here this presentation. If we want to insert a new image and rotate it, we need to select slide where we want to add a new image. So I select the first slide and then I need to go to Insert tab. I need to go to Image Settings, and here we have something like Upload from Computer. We need to select this option. And now, for example, I'm going to select one from available images. So I select maybe this one image and I click Open button to load it to my presentation. How you see it has been successfully loaded here. Of course, we can edit the dimensions of this image. For example, I will resize it. And now if I want to rotate it, I need to click on Format Options. And here we need to open Size and Rotation Settings. It is very important to open it, because here we can find rotate settings. How you see, on default angle is set to 0. So if I want to rotate this image, I need to type here different value. For example, I type here 40, and how you see, image has been successfully rotated. Remember that you can easily modify this angle if you want. For example, you can type here 70, you can type here, for example, 90. Everything depends on your preferences. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.